Welcome to IBC 2024.
Discover game-changing innovations, explore new business models,
And network with over 170 countries right here in Amsterdam. So Brian, it's day one of IBC. How's the show going so far?
It's going pretty good. It was a really busy day yesterday. It's early today, but Saturday morning it's going to build up, I'm sure.
Yeah, there's a really good energy here this year.
Absolutely, yeah. It was buzzing yesterday.
It really was. So Brian, tell me how CP Cases is positioned in the broadcast and media industry.
We design and manufacture protective cases, bags, 19-inch rack mount enclosures. We have manufacturing facilities in the UK and the USA, and we deliver our products all around the world. We've got more than 50 years experience in live events broadcasting. Actually, our roots are in the music industry. Our flight cases were used by musicians and bands on the tours and festivals in the 1970s. How are we preparing for the future? Well, we have some clever solutions to provide better performing products, better value for money for the broadcast industry. Our focus is on problem solving. So our team of engineers create solutions for the many kit transportation challenges experienced in this industry.
And what are you showcasing here this year at IBC?
We're unveiling some great new products this year. One of those is our RCZ mini rack case. This is the perfect solution when space is an issue. Internally, it has a fully suspended chassis with wire rope mounts to protect standard 19-inch servers from vibration, impact drop, those sorts of traumas experienced during transportation. But externally, it's incredibly small. No space is wasted. If you need to fit a lot of electronics into a vehicle and you also want to make sure it's properly protected, this is a great solution. We also produce those in half-width sizes too. Our new developments this year also include the cool VCC AirCon unit. This is an improved version of our air conditioning solution. This new system helps server racks keep cool and working even when operating in extreme sunshine and high temperatures. It connects with our regular rack cases and is hermetically sealed to create a protective environment for your kit.
And who is this for, and what are the future use perspective cases?
Our primary market is outside broadcasters. We design and manufacture cases and covers for those broadcasters who have a lot of kit to organise and protect. But saying that, we originally developed the RCZ mini rack for defence communications applications. So it meets really tough military grade circumstances. It operates in harsh conditions. This translates really well to this industry, where kit also needs to be protected from rough handling, blowing sand, dust and driving rain.
So Brian, tell me, what does the future look like for CP Cases?
Well, an important consideration for us is sustainability. We've recently installed solar panels on the roof of our factory in the UK, and we're now virtually self-sufficient with clean electricity. As well as being a good thing for our business, it's important for our customers that have Scope 3 emissions targets. Moving forward, we're looking at greater sustainability in our material choices. Our rotor-moulded cases are already recyclable, and we've just completed trials in moulding with new biopolymers. This is a great alternative to conventional polymers. It's still early days, but these trials have been very successful so far. So watch this space. We'll see you next year.
Very exciting times for you here at CP Cases. Have a fantastic show, Brian.
Thank you ever so much.